So what you can also do with photos inside of CapCut's image editor is you can go around and then apply out filters to it. So to do that, I have selected this image right here, this photo. Then I can go around onto the right hand side and you can see that color, not color, but filters is an option over here. So if I were to go around and click right here, then the filter option opens up. And here are some filters that you can apply to the photo, as you can see. All you need to do is click on any one of them and you can go around and change around the intensity. There's the light skin, there's the natural, there's the shag, there's the coconut, as you can see right here, walnut, apricot, and other effects, as you can see right here. Like you can go around over here, click on this, and then you can go around and see the miso, the dark brown, and so forth. So you can choose the filter you like and change around the intensity of the filter that is applied as well. So that is how you can work around with photo filters inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.